No one should go hungry under the watch of Mayor Jerry Treñas. The Iloilo City Mayor has partnered with local bakeries for them to keep making breads to be distributed for free to Ilonggos. Many have joined the initiative, including the city's oldest bakery, Padaderia ni Paa. Treñas wants to make sure all residents will remain well-fed during the strict lockdown rules. Apart from bread, Ilonggos also get a steady stream of relief packs and hygiene kits from the local government.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.